Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. There's something irresistible about steak rice. Whether it's a quick weeknight dinner or a restaurant favorite, this dish hits all the right notes. From saucy Japanese beef bowls to smoky fajita rice bowls, it's a global comfort food with endless variations. The best part? You don't need fancy skills to make it taste amazing at home. Let's break down how to nail tender steak, flavorful rice, and the perfect balance of textures. Whether you're craving something hearty or light, these tips and recipes will help you get it right every time. What is steak rice? Steak rice is the ultimate pairing of juicy, seared steak with fluffy rice, a simple but satisfying combo that works for everything from quick meals to gourmet dinners. Think of it as a blank canvas. You can keep it basic with just salt and pepper or load it up with bold sauces, crisp veggies, and spices. What makes it special? The contrast between tender beef and warm rice creates a dish that's hearty but never heavy, adaptable to any flavor profile you crave. Key ingredients in steak rice. The beauty of steak rice lies in its flexibility, but a few key ingredients make it shine. Steak cuts. Ribeye and sirloin are top picks for their balance of tenderness and flavor, but skirt or flank steak work well for marinade-heavy versions. Rice types. Short grain white rice stays sticky and soft, perfect for Asian-inspired bowls, while jasmine or basmati adds fragrance. Brown rice brings a nutty chew. Seasonings, marinades. Soy sauce, garlic, and ginger are staples for umami depth. Simpler versions might use just salt, pepper, and a pat of butter. Don't forget toppings like scallions, fried eggs, or pickled veggies for extra texture. Cultural variations of steak rice. Across cultures, steak rice takes on different personalities. Japanese gyudon. Thinly sliced beef simmered in a sweet savory broth with onions, then draped over rice. It's fast, cheap, and wildly popular for lunch. Korean bibimbap with beef. A colorful bowl of rice topped with marinated steak, veggies, gochujang, spicy paste, and often a runny yolk for richness. The beef is usually thinly sliced and tenderized. American steak bowls. Think seared steak cubes over rice with bold flavors, cheese, sour cream, or barbecue sauce. Fajita-style versions add peppers and onions for crunch. Whether you're after comfort or excitement, there's a steak rice variation to match. The next step? Choosing your style and nailing the cooking method. Choosing the right steak for steak rice. Picking the right steak makes all the difference in your steak rice. The cut you choose determines texture, juiciness, and how well it pairs with rice. Some steaks melt in your mouth, while others offer a firmer bite, each bringing its own character to the dish. Fat content, tenderness, and flavor profile are key. Richer cuts like ribeye add buttery depth, while leaner options like flank steak absorb marinades beautifully. Let's break it down so you can pick the perfect steak for your bowl. Best steak cuts for steak rice. Not all steaks cook the same way, and some just work better with rice. Here are the top choices. Ribeye. High marbling, those thin fat streaks, means intense flavor and tenderness. Ideal for quick searing and serving over rice, especially if you love rich, juicy bites. Sirloin. A balanced choice, less fat than ribeye but still tender. Great for those who want beefy flavor without too much grease. Flank or skirt steak. Leaner but packed with deep meaty taste. These cuts shine when sliced thin against the grain after cooking, perfect for absorbing marinades in dishes like Korean bibimbap. Hanger steak. A hidden gem with bold flavor and a slightly chewy texture. Best for those who enjoy a hearty bite. Thinner cuts cook fast and pair well with quick meals, while thicker steaks, like ribeye, benefit from a good sear and resting time. Marinades and seasonings for steak. A great marinade or dry rub can turn good steak rice into unforgettable steak rice. The right mix of flavors seeps into the meat, complementing the rice instead of overpowering it. Classic marinades. Soy garlic. A mix of soy sauce, minced garlic, a touch of brown sugar, and sesame oil. Works wonders on flank or skirt steak. Garlic herb, olive oil, fresh rosemary, thyme, and crushed garlic. Excellent for ribeye or sirloin. Dry rubs. Smoky spice blend. Paprika, cumin, black pepper, and a pinch of chili powder. Rub it on before grilling or pan searing for a crusty exterior. Simple salt and pepper. Sometimes, less is more. A generous sprinkle of coarse salt and cracked pepper lets the beef's natural flavor shine. Marinate for at least 30 minutes, or overnight for tougher cuts. Dry rubs need just 10 to 15 minutes to adhere before cooking. Either way, you're layering flavor into every bite. Cooking techniques for perfect steak rice. Getting steak rice right comes down to two things. Nailing the sear on your steak and cooking rice that's light, not sticky or dry. The contrast between crispy-edged meat and tender grains is what makes this dish shine. Let's break down how to ace both. Searing the steak. High heat is non-negotiable for a good sear. It locks in juices and creates that caramelized crust packed with flavor. Here's how to do it right. Pat the steak dry before cooking. Moisture steams instead of sears. Use a heavy pan, cast iron works best, and let it get smoking hot. Season generously with salt right before cooking to prevent moisture loss. Don't overcrowd the pan. Steaks need space to brown, not steam. Flip once. Resist the urge to move it around. Let a crust form, about 3 to 4 minutes per side for medium rare. Rest before slicing. 5 minutes off heat lets juices redistribute so they stay in the meat, not on your plate. Cooking methods matter too. Pan searing gives the best crust for most cuts. Grilling adds smoky flavor, great for flank or skirt steak. Sous-Vide, for thick cuts like ribeye, ensures perfect doneness edge to edge, just finish with a quick sear. Want a pro trick? Baste with butter, garlic, and thyme in the last minute for extra richness. Preparing fluffy rice. Rice texture can make or break your dish. Mushy rice turns your bowl into a starchy mess, while undercooked grains ruin the bite. Follow these steps. Rinsing is key. Wash rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch, preventing gumminess. Soak for 20 to 30 minutes if using short grain varieties, like sushi rice, for even cooking. Water ratios. White rice. 1 to 1.25, rice to water, for most pots, 1 to 1 for rice cookers. Brown rice. 1 to 2, it needs more liquid and time. Thanks for watching part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll put everything together and add some tasty finishing touches. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.